Welcome to the Weather Extreme video for Saturday, September the 15th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Wow, half of September already over, and it looks like we're headed for some wet weather. Our Skycam imagery this morning from the Alpha Skycam network, and there's a look at Clanton, a beautiful sunrise shot with a few clouds there. And for Cheehaw, the sky mostly cloudy, but we can see some sunlight in the background over there, peeking through a few breaks in the clouds. We do have a weak stationary front across the Tennessee River Valley, and because of that, we can't rule out the possibility of an isolated shower, but for the most part, I think we'll see very few showers and we stay dry. In the upper atmosphere, that's where most of the action is taking place. We've got this bit of a trough out over Texas and Oklahoma, say north central Texas and the Texas Panhandle and Oklahoma. And that is, of course, creating some rain out that way. But the big news is a trough that will be dropping into the central U.S. and really bringing us some wet weather. For this morning, temperatures generally in the upper 50s to mid 60s across central Alabama. And we should be headed for highs primarily in the mid 80s for today. Again, the trough producing some rain showers out in Missouri and Arkansas. And of course, if you're headed to the Alabama game, I believe they're in Fayetteville. Looks like showers are a possibility over there. We're headed for some wet weather, especially on Sunday night, Monday, and Monday night. So with the rain ending on Tuesday, so QPF values looking to be on the order of 1 inch with 2 to 3 possibility as moisture increases significantly. For today and the next 3 days, there's no organized severe thunderstorms forecast. We are going to watch the next system because the NAM is a little more aggressive in suggesting the possibility that we might see some severe weather with the system on Monday, but we'll be watching that. Tropics still relatively active. We have Hurricane Nadine, been upgraded to a hurricane, but it's headed away from land. And then also, in addition to that, we have an area that in the southern Atlantic that is not conducive. It's in an area that's not conducive for development, so there's a low chance of it becoming a storm. And there's the track of a Nadine. Modeling this morning, sticking with primarily the GFS, the high-pressure system over the Ohio River Valley is gradually moving off to the east, and by Sunday, it should be along the mid-Atlantic states, and that means that moisture will increase across our area, and it looks like we'll be introducing showers, especially Sunday afternoon and into Sunday night. I think the better chance is going to be Sunday night. The trough comes in out of Canada and begins to push the little trough over Texas our way. The two not phasing up on Monday, but that means Monday should be a relatively wet day for us with moisture increased quite a bit. Tuesday, the troughs phase up pretty well, and as they do, of course, that's going to bring some cooler air and push the majority of the weather, the rain, off to our east. However, we're still going to have some lingering showers and some light rain. The trough kind of lingers over our area on Wednesday, but still we've got, if you follow those contours back up, they're coming out of Alaska. And so we see a nice cool day with clear skies and just a beautiful day with highs in the 70s. Looks like we stay in the 70s on Thursday as another system moves across southern Canada. Friday, that system edges a little bit closer, but the GFS is keeping us very dry, so it looks like it will edge by us on Saturday with probably just clouds and not much in the way of any significant rain. Well, that will do it for the Weather Extreme video for this Saturday, September the 15th. I do want to congratulate James Spann on his selection as Broadcaster of the Year from the National Weather Association. He certainly deserves that award. I hope that your Saturday is a good one. In the meantime, Godspeed and have a great day.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.